GS350. We're going to take the front door panel out. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take this panel out. Behind there is a one screw here. Another screw into this hole here where the hot air goes into. Then another screw here. So 1, 2, 3. There's a one more. So there's a one more hidden screw on the armrest. There's a light, Curtis light. You're gonna pop this out. Inside, you'll see a screw right there. So you take this out. Gee. Okay. One long screw out. This screw out.
You want the factory HID?
Then another one here. This one I already took out. There's one more here. So once you have it out, it should pop out. Let's see.
Get the screw right there?
Yeah, you just gotta pull it.
It feels like there's something here.
No. It's okay.
No, that's it. It feels like there's...
I'm telling you, this is nothing there.
Because look, that's coming apart.
Yeah, because you gotta pry this out.
Oh.
You gotta go straight up.
No.
It is. I took it out that way on the other side. Straight up.
That's why this came out.
Go straight up. Yep. That's it. Then you got two cables you gotta release. Then one plug. That's it.